Welcome friends. In this video we will learn conversion of decimal number to binary number with an example. Here we have created a function named to binary. We have passed a parameter. This function will return equivalent binary number to user input decimal number. We have created a variable n. What this variable value has, it will be user input. What user input could be? It could have three possible values. First possibility is it could be 0. If it is 0, then return value will be 0 because 0 remains 0 in all number system, whether it is decimal number system or binary number system or octal number system or hexadecimal. Second possibility is it could be negative number. Next, the program checks whether the input is negative. If it is negative, a boolean variable is neg is set to true and the absolute value of the number is taken so that the binary conversion can be performed on a positive number. Now third possibility is number could be positive or greater than 0. An empty string variable result is then initialized to store the binary digits. The program enters while loop that continues until value of n becomes 0. In each iteration it calculates the remainder when n is divided by 2 using modulus operator and modulo 2. This remainder is either 0 or 1. Whether it is 0 or 1, these two digits represents the binary digits. The remainder is added to the beginning of the result string. We are adding here in left side. After that, n is updated by performing integer division by 2. We only pick the integer part of that division. When the loop finishes, all the binary digits have been generated. If the original number was negative, a minus sign is prefixed to the binary result. Otherwise, the number string is returned as it is. In the main program, the user is asked to enter a decimal number using the input function. The input is converted to an integer and passed to the toBinary function, and then it is printed here or displayed through this line. Let's check whether program working nicely. First check for 0. Binary equivalent is 0. Now we will check for some negative number. Suppose this is minus 110. This is equivalent binary number with negative sign. Now we will check for positive number 110. This is equivalent binary number. You can see here earlier we have input minus 110. This time we have entered 110. You can see both binary equivalent are same, only difference is negative sign. Then we will check for some larger number. We provide some larger number. You can see the equivalent binary number. Here we can see it is working correctly. Write your comments on the program. See you in next video with new example. Thanks for watching.